Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do anomaly detection in Microsoft Power BI using line charts and built-in analytics. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to spot suspicious spikes or drops in your data, so you can catch mistakes, opportunities, or even the start of a big trend before anyone else. Whether you're working with sales, web traffic, or any kind of time series data, anomaly detection in Power BI is a super handy tool you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in and see how it works step by step. First, let me quickly walk you through the data we're using. Imagine you're tracking daily sales for the first 10 days of January 2025 in a table called Sales Data. Each row is a date, and alongside each date you have the corresponding sales number. Most numbers look pretty reasonable, 500, 520, 510, and so on, but if you glance over January 4th and 7th, you'll notice the sales shoot up to 700 and even 1,000. Those jumps are way off compared to the other days, and that's exactly what we call anomalies, data points that just don't fit the pattern. Before we go further, keep in mind, in real business situations, a spike like this could mean anything from a successful promotion to a system error or even fraud. That's why it's so important to catch them early. Let's start by visualizing these sales in Power BI. Head over to the report view and insert a line chart, which is perfect for showing changes over time. For the x-axis, drag in the date field, and for the y-axis, bring in sales. Once you do that, you'll see a simple trend line across the 10 days. Each dot on the line matches up with a day's sales. With this visual, it's really easy to notice where something looks off. See how those big spikes on the 4th and 7th just leap right out? But what if you have more data or smaller patterns you don't want to miss? That's where anomaly detection comes in. With your line chart selected, look for the Analytics pane. It's the one with the little magnifying glass icon on the side of your Power BI window. Expand the Anomaly Detection section and click Add, now here, where you can tell Power BI how sensitive you want it to be. For example, if you set sensitivity to 90%, the system will flag more points as anomalies, so you catch even subtle outliers. If you prefer to keep it stricter, just set a lower sensitivity. For our demo, 90% is a good starting point. You can also leave Ignore Data Points blank, which means all your data will be evaluated, and for seasonality, let Power BI decide automatically, unless you know your sales follow a weekly, monthly, or other repeating pattern. Once you've set these, hit Apply. This next part might take a few seconds, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Now let's take a look at what Power BI adds to your chart. You'll see some points are highlighted with dots. These are your anomalies, the sales numbers that just didn't fit the prediction. The chart also shows shaded areas or upper and lower boundaries. These represent the range Power BI expects your numbers to stay within based on the rest of your data. For example, on January 7th, sales spiked to 1,000. Power BI shows the expected range was only between 540 and 614. That's a huge difference, and because the point is so far above the range, it's marked as an anomaly. Pretty neat, right? You might not have any explanation at the moment, and that's okay. This is just the first clue that something deserves a closer look. So why is this so useful? Anomaly detection can help you quickly spot unexpected spikes or drops in sales that might be caused by a system bug, a reporting error, or fingers crossed, maybe even a viral product launch. Beyond sales, you can use this exact technique to watch out for fraudulent transactions, sudden jumps in website traffic, or pretty much any time-based data. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up and use anomaly detection in Power BI. An incredibly powerful way to make your data speak up when something unusual happens. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.